So there are a lot of homes in Johnson County and a lot of homes in Lee Summit and Blue Springs that have split levels. They're somewhat controversial. I would say most people that we end up talking to don't love their split level design, but they love the neighborhood. They fell in love with the school district. They made a lot of sense. And it doesn't really fit their personality. It doesn't really fit the way they've remodeled the interior of their home. And they call us saying, what can we do on the outside of your home? So the two big things we see to kind of modernize a split level home are, we play around with color and we play around with different textures and styles of products. So a lot of times above a garage, we're doing more modern vertical panel siding. You know, we're using really dark, kind of moody colors. I know it's kind of controversial, but a lot of times we're painting brick. Most split levels have brick. So sometimes we're removing the brick and installing new modern products. Sometimes we're painting it. The other big thing that we do on split levels is a lot of times they have a very mid-century modern look. So there we're trying to bring in and mix like wood tone products with other dark colors or light colors. So really mixing in wood tones is a very popular look and can help a homeowner really get the mid-century modern look they want and that they don't currently have today. People were saying, hey, I want to make my home look more modern, more contemporary, but I'm not sure where to spend the money, okay? So the two easiest things for money on new garage door, new front door. So not only is a new garage door generally the #1 return investment you can get from an aesthetic standpoint, it's a really easy way to change the look and feel of your house, especially on a split level, because the garage is such a prominent feature in front of a house without breaking the bank. And so if you're looking for a more modern home, but you don't have $30,000, $40,000, $50,000 today, a new garage door, a new front door can make a huge difference. We also see a lot of clients do new windows just in the front of the house. So they're introducing more modern casements, first kind of the old school double hung with all the grids. So there are ways to even play with the front exterior of your home without doing everything. We have a lot of clients that just want to get the whole new front. New siding, new windows, new door, new garage door, just to face with the front of the house. And we do that a lot for people on split levels.